come to witness the release of beneficiaries of amnesty. We usually call it amnesty, but it's clemency order number 1 of 2026. Total, the number of inmates released for the whole of Manicaland province is 485. This is a significant number, considering that we've been overpopulated for quite some time, and we're grateful to the Commissioner General, Dr. MCN Chiwovu. We are grateful to the Honorable Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi, and above all, of course, we are grateful to His Excellency Dr. Idim Nangagwa for this mercy that is extended to our inmates. This is an opportunity whereby they will go out and show the skills they have learned during the rehabilitation processes that they have undergone whilst they were in custody, and also to reunite with their families. And we've encouraged them to go back. The only way that they can thank His Excellency, the Minister, Comrade Ziyambi Ziyambi, and also the Commissioner General, is to go and be law-abiding citizens.